Changing your primary email on Squarespace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your Squarespace account. Access your Squarespace account by visiting the Squarespace website and entering your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon on name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select email addresses. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Change primary email. Find the email address you want to set as your primary. Click on the option to edit or change it, and select the new primary email address from the list or add a new one if necessary. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new primary email, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new settings. Now you have successfully changed your primary email on Squarespace. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages or updates.